Hello, this is a little tutorial on a Qigong exercise from Southern Mantis Kung Fu called Jerng, Gong, 8 forward movement. The idea of this Qigong exercise, like a lot of the Tonglong Qigong exercises, is to push blood through the body using a compressive method and diastolic pressure in the abdomen. So you're going to breathe into your abdomen. It's called the dantian in Chinese, below the belly button here. You're going to breathe into that space and you're going to make all these movements at the same time that are going to increase the pressure. So we'll show you the form and I'll give you explanations as we go at the same time. So the hands start inside like this, they circle out and hook out like that. That's called sawsow. It's a mantis catching hand here, and then they cup underneath like that. This is to compress the rib and what we call dipwa, rib compression. Now I'll explain that as we go as well. So begin the process here. Breathe in, push out, and then circle around like this. You'll see this circle coming around, you'll see it everywhere, and you'll see this particular shape as well all the way through it. So it comes down here, and we repeat the motion 6 times. So I'm breathing in through the nose, down into the dantian as I control the movement of the hand. The arms move with the breath. So 4, 5, 6. Now, when you see the movement that's happening, it's not led from the hand, it's led from this part of the elbow here. So it's like the elbow's pushing in and the hands are following, basically. Okay, so it's not this sort of thing. I'm not doing this, I'm doing this, like a bird flying, this type of compression. That's going to cause a contraction all the way through this section here, and with the full breath in here, it's going to bounce the energy and the blood back out to the limbs, and you'll feel it in your limbs. They'll get full. The blood pressure will increase in this space, and it'll fill up, and that's part of the process. So 6 times here, and then from there we're going to go forward. So here, and it's like we're pushing something off a table and we're pushing something down. So there's tension at the back here, but not too much, just light. We turn that tension off, and then again we bring the elbows down under a little bit of pressure. So I'm contracting this area with leading from the elbow here, holding the hand like this, like it's trying to capture some energy, you know, like a round ball. I'm compressing on a round ball. Compression is the key here. Seal the gate. So when you seal the gate, what that means is you clench your bum. Clench your bum together, okay? That seals the back gate. Stops the energy from going out your backside, down into your legs. We'll do that later, but you'll see. So repeat it for 6. Back to the middle. Another 6, and then I'm going to do this motion here. So sideways it looks like this, and I'm going to coordinate the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. It's like I'm breathing energy in and then I'm pushing energy out through this line through here as I do that. So here it's pushing. This is called chip kill. Here, this technique, strike something, strike your neck, that sort of thing. So push something away or block something. You know, some of those are postponed. You put your hand in front of it, whack, put it into them from there. So exercise, we're here. We've gone to the center, we've done 6 of these now, and then we're going to do this exercise here with chip kill. So raise up. Try and keep the elbows in as much as possible. That will increase the compression. Six of those, then back to this one. 6 there now. We went this way before, this time we're going to go back this way. And one of the tricks you can do is you get to this extension here, you can come up onto the toe. Take a really deep breath here. So you're trying to draw as much air into your body as possible. So it looks like this. As I'm coming down and contracting, I'm lifting the body here. As I come down, I clench the backside to seal the gate. Keep the pressure up through here, okay? I don't want to pressurize my body, like I'm slowing down the flow of air that's coming out. Like I'm pushing it through a valve to increase its pressure through the body as it's going up. But I'm still letting it out, but I'm not, like that's gonna have no energy. So by this time, you'll literally feel the blood pushing into your hand. That's what you're looking for. So you do 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then come back to the center. That section, they should be the biggest breaths that you could possibly take. By that time, the lungs have opened up, like this is stretching the lungs. So you take 6 there, and then in this time, it's nubs out, this technique. So it raises up, and you breathe in, breathe out, and nub. So this is a hooking hand to pull something down. Hook, bum, this type of thing, okay? So you're here and it's soft, so you're all pressurized with everything else. You still leave the gate at the back closed, but just up and down, nice and soft. Now you've done 6 then. Now that's the original one that was taught to me. There's another variation that goes on top of that, and my understanding is that goes into Jerng as well. The other variation belongs to my Sifu and NCK, so I can't show it to you. But it's very good as well. So anyway, there you go. Thanks very much.